In today's topic, I'm going to talk about the future of UX and UI design. So I'm going to share a couple of things today's topic. So let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspera. Happy to see you again. So in today's topic, I'm going to talk about future of UX and UI design. So the first thing is I'm going to talk about hyper personalization. So hyper personalization is already been implemented in many of the applications. So one of the application is Netflix. Based upon your browsing history, the content will be suggested for you. So if you are going to choose or if you are going to watch any one of the particular movie, that movie is being categorized into few of the content sectors or few of the categories. So in those categories only, if you are going to like it. So this is what they got understand from your behavior, and they are going to recommend those kind of a content related or that category related content to you. So for example, if you are watching only rom-com movies, that is a romantic comedy movies, and if you are watching couple of movies, right? So somewhere around 2 to 3 movies if you are watching in a week period, then what will happen? Netflix is automatically recommending more of the rom-com based movies to you. So the similar thing is being implemented in our e-com websites as well. In the future of e-com, based upon your purchase history, the e-com portals are recommending the products to you. So that will be encouraging you to buy more products. So this is called hyper personalization. So based upon the user behavior, the content or the product is being recommended to the users and encourage the users to buy or take more. Number 2, the rise of micro interactions. Micro interactions are tiny animations or responses in the applications in the form of sound or animation. For example, you are transferring the fund through GPay, and at the end of the thing, you are having the small tick animation with the sound effect. That is called micro interaction, so that the people can be able to see whether the money is being transferred or not. So if the money is being transferred, it shows the tick symbol with the animation along with a small sound. Even if you are not listening the sound, what will happen? You feel the money is not being transferred. So that is the area where the micro interactions are helping the users to get more engagement with the applications. The scope of micro interactions are very wide. And as a designer, we have to implement in all the possible scenarios. So not only for the greetings or the success celebration, beyond the level, we need to think about the micro interactions and we have to implement into the UX. Number 3, voice user interfaces. Voice user interface means devices are controlled by the human voice. For example, you are watching the smart TV. So how do you prefer to search the content? So if you are going to search the content using your remote control, it takes a lot of time to browse the content or search the content. But instead of that, if you are going to give the command using your voice, so there is a mic is being enabled so that you can be able to easily find the content and you can watch the movie or whatever. So this is also voice user interface. So the smart TV is also voice user interfaces, and there are a lot of voice user assistants also available. For example, Siri for Apple and Google Assist for Android phones and Alexa for Amazon. So these are the voice user interface assistants is being implemented in many places. So voice user interfaces can be implemented in the future of many devices or the interfaces. For example, I'm going to talk about one small scenario. So if it is a smart refrigerator, so you are going to having a conversation with the refrigerator. Hey fridge, I want to create a salad. So that the fridge is being completely scanning your grocery items or the vegetable item inside the refrigerator and is going to be producing the result. So you have only the cucumber, only this many quantity, and this is on this quantity. So the refrigerator is going to display the available items, and accordingly you can be able to create your recipe, or you can cook your recipe, and also the refrigerator can be able to recommend the recipe for you. So these are the future kind of UX, the smart user interfaces. So I think this is the future of voice user interfaces. So it's going to be beyond the smart speakers or smart refrigerator. It can be implemented in many interfaces or the devices. So think about that line. 4. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is overlaying the digital elements into the real life. For example, if you are visiting to the Lenskart website, the Lenskart is providing the digital images of the frames and you are going to wear it on your faces on the tryout model, so that whether the frame is suitable for you or not. So this is one of the classic example for the augmented reality. So it's been implemented for IKEA furniture, so that in your home whether the furniture is being fit or not. So that also you can able to try it out. In recent days, Amazon also been implemented AR. If you are buying any home appliances, then that AR is being enabled. You can fit into your room or not. So if you are planning to buy a TV in Amazon, then Amazon is enabling the AR feature, so that you can be able to fix the TV in your wall whether it is being fit or not. So you can be able to understand, or you can be able to make a decision whether you want to buy or not this TV. So this augmented reality is helping the e-com space and helping the users to make the decision whether to buy or not. So think about the augmented reality not only for the e-com space, you have to think about in other space as well. For education sector or transportation sector or industry sector. So in many different industries, so you have to think about the augmented reality, how it's going to be overlaying the digital images on the real world, so that the user can be able to having an experience on that. Be ready to live with the future of augmented reality world. Number 5, predictive design. Predictive design is basically speaking based upon our actions or the needs. The system is being analyzing and it's suggesting the solutions on the recommendation basis. I am going to give one small example. So I am traveling from Chennai to Bangalore and the so and so day. So I already booked the ticket, used my Gmail account, and also I booked the hotel room on the specific location on Bangalore as well on the same day. Now the system will understand I am traveling in the so and so date from Chennai to Bangalore, and the same day I booked the hotel room on Bangalore on that specific location. Now the system is giving me the recommendations for a cab from airport to the specific hotel. Alright, so that I can able to book a cab for that. So this is one of the predictive design example. If I am going to reach the hotel and I am going to check in, and next thing is what will happen, I am going to get a lot of recommendations in nearby attractions areas or nearby restaurants where I have to go and have my lunch or the dinner. So these all are the predictive design. Without I am going to give any inputs to the device itself understand my situations and sharing the lot of suggestions to me. The system itself is going to be giving me the lot of recommendations, something like a shopping or dine out or commuting. So these kind of various suggestions and the recommendations being given by the system. So this is called the predictive design. So with the help of an AI, the system will understand my behavior and give me the recommendations and the suggestions. These sounds are technically very strong, right? So if you know any one of the future technology or future of UX and UI design topic, share that thing in the comment section so we can discuss on the comment. And keep learning, keep explore. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.